This is Project WINSTON, a beautiful but agile Land Rover Defender 19. It's a morning in the mountains, the air's crisp, the roads are still quiet, and that Gondwana stone finish blends right into the landscape, like it's always been there. You fire it up, and the 6.2 litre V8 settles in with a confident tone. Not loud for the sake of it, just enough to remind you there's power waiting when you want it. Pulling out, it's smooth and easy, air ride suspension gliding over pavement, then just as comfortable when the road turns into something a little less predictable. Whether it's a quick drive into town or heading up toward the mountains, it handles both without asking you to think twice. Inside, it's warm, familiar, tan leather, wood touches, simple gauges. Everything feels considered without trying too hard. It's the kind of cabin where you don't quickly get out, where conversations last a little longer before you open the door. There's room in the back for whoever decides to come along, and a ladder ready for whatever you throw on top. It's built for gear, for weekends, for the kind of trips that start with a loose plan and end somewhere better than expected.